Road trip. Ready, Miss Kitty?
Before that you want to share with other people about thinking outside the box and not being stuck in a rut.
That's correct. Thinking outside the box. As an adult, being grown in with rules, regulations, it's not many choices. We're supposed to um, have a house. Supposed to, as we're supposed to have a car, or the dog, or
Or go to
anything.
college, or
Yes, all those things.
we have to do it. Society
we-
expects us to.
So I thought, like, oh, why not? And went online and started searching about how can I do it. I'm good in building things, but wasn't sure about how can I survive. How about if I run out of gas? How about if I lost my insurance? Which, by the way, I just did it. I lost my insurance card. It's okay. I have my arms, my hand. I mean, I have everything I need to make a living. It's just a matter of time. And I just figured that I just have to trust on myself. I can do this and hit the road. To do a trip, to buy a house, to buy a car, to buy basically anything from food to gas, or you got to have a budget.
Budget.
So that's the what we've been thought about it. Like that's the education that we got it from kindergarten to out of college.
Right. That's what they teach us to do. That's what they prepare us for,
Correct.
but nothing else.
Correct.
Like you said, what if you lose your insurance? They don't tell you how to figure that out.
So I just met up, couple guys who they lost everything. Cars impound, and because it's all those regulations, but the cars are yours, it's in your name. It doesn't matter. So, but if you have that fear that you're gonna lose everything, or your budget, when you put all those numbers together, it will not close. You will figure that it doesn't match. So basically, you're not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it, and that's the fear. But if we don't believe in that fear, if we believe in something that we can just believe in ourselves, don't believe in like someone else done it, or like I'm me that I doing it. Just believe that you can do it. Okay, I don't have a job now, but I have my legs, my foot, I have my arm, my hand. I can think. So you don't know what's gonna happen in a minute from now. That's the future. A minute from now, a second from now, it's already a future. And vice versa is the past.
Right.
So you have to believe that you can make it.
This is your van here, the handy van. Can we take a look at your place?
Absolutely. Please comment. Thinking with my friend Patrick, be cooking a lot, be saving a lot of money, cooking in here. So he was suggesting to have like a little garden.
So you have a little garden going here, right?
Yes,
in the front?
this is my new addition. Basically, here before it was seating area. Everything started because I have all these rocks, and I wanted to put it like a place for the rocks,
Oh
and,
yeah, that you've collected
and like a
along
little
your-
all from all my
journey.
trips, my journey. And then I come out with I put like a pump in one end and like a waterfall. So I created this waterfall in here. I mean, it isn't in a construction, it's not there yet. Well, the water will come up here, 3 step downs, all through the logs, will running this way, and the pump will suck it and send it back to
regenerate.
the.
Okay.
So it's in construction, it's not done yet. We put a lot of things in here.
Yeah, you've got a lot in a little space here.
Yeah, so I can tell you exactly what we put in there. So So we got, we got Thai basil, sweet basil, spearmint, the shervagins, and Kali parsley. Only in these 4 plants.
So these are your herbs.
Yeah, and then I got this wheatgrass.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just gonna be in some of the areas, in some of the small areas on the top, and then we have this Asian blend, another green, which is what is it called? Sprouts, I think it is. The green sprouts.
Okay. For your salad and your.
Yep.
So you're eating healthy too.
And then it's another one, mellow blend. It's another type of sprouts too.
Mm-hmm.
And if you let it grow really, really, really good and long time, it will come out with eggs. You like it?
Oh, very good.
So you gotta wait.
Wow, that's magic.
Even with cookies and crackers and stuff like that. And what else we have here? And we do have cilantro.
Cilantro. Mm-hmm.
So this is gonna be,
one of my favorites.
when they grow, this is gonna be really nice.
This is a nice addition to your truck.
Yes, totally. I'm gonna show you something which you're gonna love this.
Okay.
And I recommend this, definitely.
So here we are in Gabriel's van. Step van.
So this is how I start.